Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you're all doing great and safe over there. This is Chandana from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering pursuing third year in Electronics and Communication domain. In today's session, I will be discussing about the subject microwave and antenna. Before getting into the topic, let us see what is meant by microwave and antenna. Microwave is a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter corresponding to the frequency 300 MHz to 300 GHz respectively. Different sources define different frequency ranges as microwaves. As you all can see, the picture which is given describes the microwave frequency ranges. Let us see what is meant by antenna. As we all know, an antenna is a metallic structure that captures or transmits radio electromagnetic waves. Antenna comes in all shapes and sizes from little ones to that can be found on your rooftop to watch TV to really big ones that can capture signals from satellites of millions of miles away. These are the pictures which describes antenna. Let us see the numericals which is based on reflex cluster. Before getting into the numericals, let us see what is meant by reflex clustron. A reflex clustron is an obsolete type in which the electron beam was reflected back along its path by a high potential electrode using as an oscillator. The systematic representation of the reflex clustron is given in the PPT. Let us see what are the numericals that is based on reflex clustron. The first one is a reflex clustron operates at mode of n is equal to 2 with a beam of 300 volt, beam current of 20 ampere, signal voltage V1 of 40 volt. We need to calculate output power, input power and efficiency. Let us note down the given data where n is equal to 2, that is the operation mode n is equal to 2 and beam voltage is given as 300 volt whereas the current in the beam is given as 2 into 10 power minus 3 ampere, that is 20 milliampere. The voltage V1 is given as 40 volt. First one that we have to determine is output power. Output power is also given as PAC. The formula for output power calculation is 2 into V naught into I naught into X bar into J of X bar by 2 pi n minus pi by 3. Here the coefficient X bar and J of X bar are constant and it is defined as 1.25. The value of X bar into J of X bar is equal to 1.25. So the output power value is 2 into 3 V naught is given as 300 volt into 20 into 10 power minus 3 into 1.5 volt divided by 2 into the pi value is given as 3.14 into 2, that is n is equal to 2 minus pi by 2. PAC is equal to the output power is given as 1.364 watt. We all know that the SI unit of power is watt. And make a correction. This is not pi by 3. This is pi by 2. The second one that is to be determined is input power. The formula for input power is beam voltage into beam current, that is V naught into I naught, that is 300 into 20 milliampere, where the output the answer of input power is 6 watt. Next we need to determine efficiency. It is calculated very easily and the formula is very easy to remember, that is output power by input power into 100. That is 6 by 1.364 into 100, where the efficiency which is 22.73%. Let us see another numerical is a reflex crystron operates at 8 GHz with DC beam voltage 300 volt. The repeller space of 1 millimeter for 1 into 3 by 4 mode. Calculate maximum output power and corresponding repeller voltage for the beam current 18 milliampere. Here n is equal to 1 into 3 by 4, which is a mixed fraction. We need to convert into a proper fraction, that is 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 by 4, which is given as 7 by 4. The beam voltage is 300 volt and the beam current is given as 18 milliampere, and the distance, the repeller space L is given as 1 millimeter, and the frequency is given as 8 gigahertz. Giga means 10 power 9. First one, we need to calculate maximum output power. Maximum output power is also known as PAC, as you have seen in the previous numerical, and the formula follows the same, that is 2 into V naught into I naught into X bar into J of X bar all divided by 2 into pi into N minus pi by 2. Here we know J of X bar and X bar is constant and their value is 1.25. We need to substitute all the given data and the answer obtained is 1.433 watt. And the next one which is need to be calculated is corresponding repeller voltage. Repeller voltage is given as VR. The formula is 6.74 into 10 power minus 6 into F into L into square root of V naught whole divided by N minus V naught. That is, we can note down the given data. 6.74 into 10 power minus 6 into 8 into 10 power 9 into, this is into 1 into 10 power minus 3 into square root of 300 all divided by 7 by 4 minus 300. The repeller voltage value is 233.669 voltage. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.